Do you need every email you receive in Gmail to automatically send a copy to another address? Maybe you're backing up important messages or consolidating inboxes. In this video, I'll show you how to set up auto-forwarding in Gmail in just a few clicks. Let's do it. First, log into your Gmail account on a computer. Go to the top right corner and click the gear icon for settings, then select See All Settings. Once the settings page loads, look at the tabs across the top and click on Forwarding and PopIMap. Click the button that says Add a Forwarding Address. Type in the email address where you want your copies to go, click Next, and then Proceed. Crucial step: Gmail will send a confirmation code to that other email address to prove you own it. You need to log into that other account right now. Find the email from Google Team and click the confirmation link inside it. Once you've clicked that link, go back to your original Gmail settings page and refresh it. Under the forwarding section, select the bubble that says Forward a copy of incoming mail to. Choose what you want to happen to the original email. I recommend selecting Keep Gmail's copy in the inbox so you have a backup in both places. Finally, scroll all the way to the bottom and click Save Changes. You'll see a notice at the top of your screen confirming that forwarding is active. That's it. If this saved you time, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.